Living with asthma doesn't mean you need to give up on staying active. Regular exercise is important for managing asthma effectively. When you exercise, your airways may become more sensitive, leading to symptoms like coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. This is common, but it doesn't mean you can't exercise. It's important to note that triggers can vary from person to person. For some, cold air, dry air, or even high pollen counts can exacerbate asthma symptoms during exercise. The key to exercising safely with asthma is preparation. Warm up properly and give your body time to adjust to the increased activity. Always carry your inhaler and spacer if needed with you during exercise, just in case you need it. While exercising, pay attention to how you're feeling. If you notice any asthma symptoms, take a break and use your reliever inhaler if needed. Exercise at your own pace and take breaks when you need them. Stay hydrated throughout your workout, as this helps keep your airways moist. Sometimes it's worth checking your inhaler technique to ensure you are using it correctly. The right technique will help you manage your symptoms and make exercise easier. Sites like Asthma and lung.org.uk are great to help you learn about the right technique. Some activities are particularly good for people with asthma. Swimming in a warm pool is excellent, as the warm, humid air is less likely to trigger symptoms. Walking and sports with short bursts of activity are also great options. A tip for cold weather exercise is to wear a scarf over your mouth to warm the air before it reaches your lungs. Remember, safety comes first. If you experience severe symptoms, stop exercising immediately and use your reliever inhaler. If your symptoms don't improve, speak to your GP to ensure your asthma management plan is working effectively. With the right preparation and management, asthma shouldn't stop you from enjoying an active lifestyle. Start slowly, build up gradually, and listen to your body. If you need more information about managing your asthma medication, you can visit eSurgery's website.